Made it out to Lake Maumelle today. This is one of my favorite places to come when I need to be close to the water because there's a rock beach here, I guess is what you would call it, or a rock coast. And you can get very close to the water and just gaze. And it's usually not a lot of people out here. I can collect shells, which is what I'm doing today. And it's just very peaceful. I'm gonna show you. And when I come out here, I come on the rocks and you find different treasures like this. So I can clean it up really nicely. There's also larger ones like these.